I uploaded 30 shorts for 30 days and got over 2 million views, 4,000 plus subscribers and 3 videos having more than 500k views. And the best part, this is very easy and you can do it too. In today's video, I will tell you the strategy that I used and how you can do it in 4 simple steps. The first and fourth steps are very important, and if you don't follow them your channel might not succeed. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. Step 1. Choosing a topic for your channel. While scrolling YouTube Shorts I saw that videos related to top 5 movies or web series had a lot of views. So I decided to make shorts on this topic. I made a list of 30 ideas and it was very easy to come up with ideas in such a category. For example, top 10 highest grossing movies, top 10 sci-fi movies, top 5 superhero movies, top 5 highest grossing animated movies, and so on. As you can see, it is very easy to come up with 30 video ideas. You can use this same topic or come up with a similar topic where it is easy to come up with ideas. Step 2. Script. If you choose a perfect topic you don't have to worry about scripts. Because if I want to know about the top 5 highest grossing movies in the world, I can easily get the list from Wikipedia. Also make sure you quickly tell at the beginning what the video is about, because people usually do not see the title of shorts. They will decide whether to watch the video or not within the first 2 or 3 seconds of the video, so saying something like top 5 highest grossing movies in the world will be very helpful. Now I will quickly finish a basic script and show you. Here's my script. What I did with my channel was, over a span of 3 to 4 days, I wrote scripts for all the 30 videos and edited them within the next 5 to 6 days. This makes the entire process very easy instead of scripting and making videos for 30 days. Step 3. Record and edit. You can either use your own audio or use free AI sounds. The audio should be clear and not disturbing to listen to. Also, there should not be any boring gaps in the audio. To edit the video, go to any basic editing software. Download images or posters of each movie and place them as their audio plays. Apply some basic zoom or pan effects so the video does not look static. I will quickly edit my video and show you the results. Top 5 highest grossing movies in the world. Number 1. Avatar with $2.9 billion. Number 2. Avengers Endgame with $2.8 billion. Number 3. Avatar The Way of Water with $2.3 billion. Number 4. Titanic with $2.2 billion. Number 5. Star Wars The Force Awakens with $2 billion. Like and subscribe for more such videos. Step 4. Subtitles. According to studies, short videos with captions have better views than the ones with no captions. If you watch the shorts made by Mr. Beast or Alex Hormozi, you will find that they have amazing captions on their shorts. In order to make captions, you can use SubMagic. Click the link in my description, sign in, upload your video, and the captions will be ready immediately. You can make your captions look like any popular creator. I prefer Mr. Beast captions, so I will click here on Beast, and now let's see how the video looks. Top 5 highest grossing movies in the world. Number 1. Avatar with $2.9 billion. Number 2. Avengers Endgame with $2.8 billion. Number 3. Avatar The Way of Water with $2.3 billion. Number 4. Titanic with $2.2 billion. Number 5. Star Wars The Force Awakens with $2 billion. Like and subscribe for more such videos. As you can see, the video looks amazing. To export the video you will need SubMagic subscription, which is very cheap, and I also have a special promo code. Go to pricing, select the monthly pro plan, because we are making only 30 videos. However, if you wish to continue doing this you can use a yearly plan. You will get 20% off on the yearly plan. Click pay now and enter my promo code WBExplainer. You will get an extra 10% discount. SubMagic is really amazing because if you check freelancers, they easily charge $20 for captioning a single video, and you can get captions for 35 plus videos at the same price. Following the same steps you can caption all your videos within 1 or 2 days. Now upload and schedule these 30 videos for 30 days and see your channel explode with views. In order to know about SubMagic's agency plan, you can check out this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.